JBC, live life live in SOE. Fucker, tell me what to say. Heavyweight champ of the year, I just don't know what to say. I've been here since you've been here, I just don't know what to say. Heavyweight champ of the year, fuckers, tell me what to say. I've been here since you've been here, I just don't know what to say. This could be the track of the year, not missing a gear. Me and my boys, no hands, still steer. That's that shit, make you pump when you hear that. Make you feel all types of way, make you feel all types of shame. Make you pack your microwave, make your wife be all day. I got 365 ways that I spit, just with that reason. They just say I'm overplayed, but boy, nah, I'm always in season. Always got them bitches you missing, but your details I'm just missing. That's that fake bullshit, nigga. No one could ever listen. Me and my boy slam two badass bitches. He got a handy, but I got me some. 2 days post Halloween candy. That's the kind of pussy that makes me come. That's that pussy that makes me come. That's that pussy that makes me come. That's that pussy that make me take all that bullshit that come with it.
So I'm doing everything that I gotta do. I put it down for the city and the whole crew. I'm a cash one check and I'm get respect, and I'm snap some necks where I'm gripping my head, bruh. So insane in the brain, cause I'm coming up so damn tough. So I spit my shit and I'm gripping everything. Got my hand on my dick, but I'm up against the wall, I will never fall. I'm in balls deep ever since I crawl. If you don't like it, don't knock it, makes profit. Ain't controlling myself, my cockpit. High above all these clouds and I love this. Shaking everything like your ass in public. That's the way it is, can you grasp the subject? Move on over, I'm steaming past this. Hardcore, do you want more? Throwing you out like a used whore. Kicking down all them closed doors. We be selling out shows when we on tour. Night and day, the business. And all these bitches wish list. The type of guys you want kids with, but only concerned for them.
That's my music just right there. Spend some moments, try to be the best like a killer. Black and white might be something wrong, nah man, but it could be vanilla. Could be a lot, could be a little, could be a drop, could have been a swiggle. I might need some badass bitches who gobble these nuts when she chokes herself out while I'm fucking this up. This is the shit we be arrogant about. Sounds like he might just be airing around. More than a movement, it's stretching itself, encasing the vibe we about to be about. When I arrive, I'm spitting my bars, so y'all niggas just go and open your mouths.
Open your mouths to see what I'm about. I'm busting so hard that I fucked her on the couch.
Fuck on the couch, you too good for that shit. Fuck her where there should be trees in that bitch. Listen, I'm good, I can't complain. Double schizo, Barack Hussein. This verse, it's off the brain. Live life live, he's fucking insane. Fuckers, tell me what to say. Heavyweight champ of the year, I just don't know what to say. I've been here since you've been here, I just don't know what to say. Heavyweight champ of the year, fuckers, tell me what to say. I've been here since you've been here, I just don't know what to say. What? Say what? I don't give a fuck, say what? That's that shit that make me go all crazy in the booth when the track go real. Next year that could be your try. Fuck that noise in decades time. Featured in the best of rhymes, best of all, the best alive.
That pussy.